Today, I'm going to show you how to implement a custom OTP-based login system in Strapi v5. We are not going to touch the original authentication controller. Instead, we will extend the user permission plugin to add our own logic. This keeps the core system intact while giving us the flexibility we need. Before we write the logic, we need the infrastructure first. We will create a service to handle the OTP lifecycle and a database schema to store the code's associated identifiers and expiration timestamps. It is crucial that this folder name matches the plugin name exactly for Strapi to pick up our customizations. Inside, we will create our Strapi server.ts file. I'm using TypeScript here. And if you are using a JavaScript, you can create strapi-server.js. We are going to add two primary methods to our custom controller. The first is generate OTP. This handles the initial request where a user enters their email or phone number, or our logic will generate a secure code and save it to the database. For this tutorial, I will log the OTP directly to the terminal, but in production environment, this is where you would integrate your SMS provider like Twilio or email services like Resend or AWS, whatever you like. We will add another method, and the second method is the actual login. Here we ask the user for their identifier and the OTP they received. The controller will verify the code against our database. If it's matched, we will use Strapi's internal service to return the user's information along with a valid JWT token. For a security purpose, we will hide the OTP schema, so it will not visible inside the Strapi admin panel dashboard. So let me show you how we can hide that. So here you can see, now you can see that the database schema for the OTP is invisible now. One more point I want to add here is that the moment you add these two methods, generate OTP and OTP login, immediately you will get two route, and the name of those route you can see that OTP generate and OTP login. That's it. Okay, so we have added the logic. Now let's test this using the Postman and see if it's working. I will enter my email here and request for OTP. Let me check into the database if we have received the OTP, and we received the OTP. Copy the OTP and paste this into the Postman and click send. You can see we have received the user information along with the JWT token. So this is how we implement the login OTP based login in Strapi. And if you have any problem or doubt or have any question, then please let me know. I will try to provide you the help that I can. And thank you so much.